Hello everyone. This is 2026. This is 2026. I just want to wish everyone a prosperous new year 2026. May you live long. May you be more successful. All your desires, may they be fulfilled in Jesus' name. This is Nyabohanze Teacher. If you have not subscribed to Nyabohanze Teacher, remember to hit the subscription button. Hit the subscription button. Remember to show love by liking, sharing to everyone, friends and family, and also commenting positively and watching all my videos so that we click watch hours. Thank you very much. Happy 2026. Much love from Nyabohanze Teacher. Keep it up.